We have found that some businesses are a little bit concerned about introducing new technology in the business. Some people are a bit worried that it might replace some of their existing jobs. But what we've found is a lot of the technology we are using is to help improve safety, reducing the dull, dirty and dangerous operations within the business. The event that we're running today is a collaboration with Scottish Manufacturing Advisory Service. It's a lean workshop followed by some workshop demonstrations where we'll be showing off some of our new equipment like the cobot and the welding cobot and augmented reality welders.
So for SMAS, a really good way to interact with different businesses is to come along and host an event such as we did today at the UHI in Perth, which is designed along a breakfast networking event where we can bring businesses in and really get them to understand all things lean and how lean can be practically applied to their business. Essentially, the whole focus on lean is to allow a business to look inwardly at what it actually does, the processes that it commits in order to satisfy the customer and the customer order. Lean is an amazing tool. It's an amazing mindset and it can result in an amazing culture.
The benefits of going to an event like this are exposure to new technology, seeing it firsthand, networking with other individuals from different businesses to see what they're doing, how they might use the technology, and that just helps sort of plant a seed of ideas for them as well.
In terms of businesses in Scotland adopting new technologies, there always is a level of reticence, and I think that comes back to how the business has operated over the years. In terms of investment in future technologies, Scotland unfortunately is at the low point of that when we compare ourselves like for like across the OECD population. And what we're trying to do in SMAS is to really try and take away that fear, the fact that it's not going to cost millions and millions of pounds to adopt new technology.
So the benefits to businesses in using new technology like this is that it increases their productivity, but it can also benefit the workers. Work-life balance is becoming more and more important to people, so if they can reduce their working week down to 4 days but still achieve the same level of productivity they were before, then it benefits the business and their staff. I think that businesses should consider introducing automation to help reduce waste as well. We find that if staff are doing repetitive tasks, they get fatigued, they maybe make mistakes, there's greater waste, whereas something like a cobot can repeat the same task with a greater level of accuracy for longer. One of the barriers that some businesses experience to introducing technology like this is funding. We work with the likes of the Scottish Manufacturing Advisory Service, Scottish Enterprise, Business Gateway, the local councils, so generally there is a way to support the needs of each business. The Tay Cities Engineering Partnership can support businesses through the resources that they have available. Businesses could use the cobots, for example, to trial out some processes that they might want to look to introduce without investing in the equipment themselves, so it's sort of try before you buy into something like that. The other area that we can support with is if a business is looking to introduce a new product and they don't have capacity in-house to do all of the development or the testing, then we can use the resources within the Tay Cities Engineering Partnership to help with that. To learn more about the Tay Cities Engineering Partnership, you can visit our website tcep.scot, follow our LinkedIn page or join us at one of our events.